Yo, what's up? Uh, hey, finally deciding to use a webcam-ish, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. Because, I realized I'm kind of a bitch if I don't. I'm still a bitch anyways, but I use fucking cabling forest. The deforest. The deforestation. Is it fucking raining? It better not be raining. No. I forgot that got creepier than me. What the fuck? That wasn't even the door. Actually don't remember what I was doing. I got huge walls that I still have to build. That's fucking great. Ching! Whooshing! I don't know why I put so many fucking wall door things. Can I trade katana? No, I'm pretty sure I already tried that. Whale shucks. I don't have logs. I guess for a bit I could get some walls done. Yeah. Again, do all my fucking... Like, are they just gone? They are. Every time I get off, do they just, like, not exist anymore? Because that would suck. Oh no, I did see one. One on this side and, like, 3 on the other. Or is that top? I don't know. Maybe they just come off over time and I'm just dumb as hell. That's probably it. Alright. I'm gonna get a couple walls done. Try to at least. Before I eventually just get bored of building the walls. If a tree hits my walls, does it get destroyed? Probably. Probably not. Maybe. Who knows? Not me. Let me tell you what. I like creepy armor. It looks dumb as hell. What the fuck? Was that a lizard? It was. It looked so weird from where I was standing. Holy shit. Stop. 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 I need you. You son of a bitch. Stop. Did I break it? Fuck. Molotov. Katana. Could just swing above it. Alright, you know I'm getting distracted. I need to find my fucking spear. I've learned a couple times that losing your spear is very not cool. Should probably leave part of this wall open. Actually, no, I have a huge fucking door right here. Whooshing! Alright, I'm getting sidetracked. Wink, yoink, doinka doinka. Ching, chong. 5 logs. Actually, no, I need 4. I'm dumb. I don't know how to do math correctly. Literally. Yeah. Who's squirming around me? Fucking annoying so. Just like me. Yeah. Come on. Oh, there you go. Fucking crow. Is there crows in this game? I assume so. Yeah, I might just be dumb as hell for asking that, but you know. Oh, that's what it was. I didn't finish that. Come here. Why did I not finish? Right here? Probably one of the inside ones. Is there lots inside my house? Yeah, I'll put them in storage. Because I'm such a humble guy, donating to myself. Shut my door behind me. The fuck? Was that the sound of my door? It was so aggressive. Holy shit. Fuck. I don't have a bow. I can chop up above it. I'm so dumb. Look at that. Now, I did see another one, I think. I think I just heard of it. Oh yeah, I need to get to a beach to get a turtle shell. I do remember that. I guess that little bitch ran. Was the trios chopping? It was. Right. Got a little confused somehow. I have a map, right? Oh, I need to go way down. What? No, pick up the log. Dunk-a-dunk. I just remembered I have logs in here. Actually getting the base looking good. Alright. I'm already kind of sick of building walls. I need to... why am I holding a fucking lighter? That's towards the butthole. This way? This way. This way. Alright. I need this. I have explosives. How do you make a bow? Oh. That's it. I'm sure it's fine. How many arrows I got? 10. Not bad. Those are modern arrows, so I want to make my own homemade arrows. I don't have these. Never mind. Alright. Wait. 3. Yeah! I should probably only use that when I encounter a big boy. I go cave exploring. Don't want to waste my spear. Not fucking arrows, that's what I meant to say. I'm a little dumb in the head. You fucking kidding me? I just wanted to go get a turtle shell. And I run into... I thought I had a pouch. Wait a second. Do you mind? You mind? Yeah, get the fuck out of here. Bitch, ooh. Get your ass back here, bitch. Fine. I'll just go this way then. You wanna be a little bitch boy? They even following me. Ooh. Bitch, ooh. Holy shit. The katana is fucking great. God damn. Alright. I know what I'm using from now on. Let me give me some, give me some good bones, you know what I'm saying? I could definitely use bone armor right about now. I don't have close to enough leaves, so I'm just gonna put it on. Like the bitch I am. Fucking bird, get the hell out of here. Fucking hair. Fuck. I hate having hair. I need a fucking haircut. Soon. Did I see another one? Burn faster, pussy. It's a lot easier to kill him knowing that you can just swing above him. I'm gonna use all 12. So I got 1 creepy armor, 3 wizard armor, and 2 bone armor. And I believe I am going in right direction. Alright. Turns out there was a fucking cliff there. I probably should have seen that ahead of time. Ooh, rabbit. I think rabbits should be able to go underground. Oh, come on. Man, it is a hell of a lot easier. I'm gonna save this armor. What the fuck? Dude, slow down. I'm not gonna hurt you. Where did he go? Man, I want to kill that guy. Fucking rabbits. I should kill the rabbits. But I don't know if I wanna. I got all these first. Right. Water. Water. I need water. Fucking rabbit. I think it's rabbit. Might be a squirrel thing. I am walking not the right direction. Where'd the other one go? Are you... what? It's just gone? Yo, Mama got some great ragdoll physics. Oh, I found it. I'm actually going to cook this dude real quick. 2 of them, apparently. There's another one right there. Hey, got him. I can't get my bows back, apparently. Or my arrows. I need a stick or 2. Gotta put me some good lizard on there. 2 lizard, because there's one here and one over here. I like how they drop heads like that are not skins. But if you fucking, you know, kill them, then yeah, whatever. Fucking here. Is that another one? Down 3 rocks. I'm going the right way finally. No, I'm not, but there's a camp here, so I might as well check this out real quick. Yo, what's up, bitches? I went the wrong fucking way. You give it a lot of stickies. Sticky sticks. There's some stuff over there. New clothes. Oh. 10 sticks up to us. I can't carry more. Guess I should head over here. I want to chase the rabbits, but it's a lot of work. I'm gonna guess that there's a story item. Oh, cave. Story. No story item. Alright, cool. That helps me not at all. Oh, story item! I've done it! That's not a story item. What? Is that a book? I guess it's time to go in. The only way I know how. By just rushing in like a dumbass. Fuck, let's just add to my book. My book of wonders. Nothing. Explore. Am I in the wet cave? Is that what this is? Do I have a rebreather? No. There's no water. That actually kind of scared the shit out of me. Here's guys, how's it going? Just gonna loot some dead bodies. Spray at them. Oh, it's something. A baby. Oh. Alright. Do I go down there? Oh, shit. I don't have a rebreather. This is probably a terrible idea. I might go down. So, this was actually a mistake, and I think I'm gonna head back. Yeah, I have no fucking idea where the fuck I went. Well, alright, right there. So I guess, where did I end up? Where the hell is that wall? There it is. Guess I'm going down. I'm getting cold. Meow. Do I have enough to make another one? Oh, I don't have enough leaves to make another. I really kind of regret doing that because I could have just easily done this. Shit. Uh-oh, spaghetti. Oh, well, I'm going in. I'm gonna open my inventory. I hear something. Who's there? Can I just, like... Probably shouldn't. Ah, fuck, man. Alright. Yeah, this was kind of a drop. I probably would have died. Fucking campfire down here. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, that's where the chainsaw is. It's down here. I have no fucking idea where I am. Where are you? There was a campfire video, wasn't there? I'm not gonna use it just yet because there's probably more people there. So I think my best bet is to leave him by the fire. And if there is anyone else, I kill them, hopefully, and then burn them as well. If not, then I'm fucked. I'm gonna go around the edge of this. Because there's probably gonna be something I need to find over here. I knew it. Oh, you can get up here. Cave dweller. That's what I was hearing. Oh, no, that's what I was hearing. Babies. Stop it, bro. I'm just beating the shit out of your children. Baby. Stop. You're not funny. Don't you see those killer babies? Oh, fuck. Doesn't all my shit get added to... I hear that fucker. There you are. That was not him. Oh, it's over here. Somebody else bigger than this. Where does the, Oh, here it is. Pretty sure I already found that. I guess not. So that's what I found, I think. I heard something. And it's water. I don't know why I'm putting on lizard skin, but... I have no idea where the fuck I am. Oh, alright. I think it's dying on battery. Where was I? Up here. Body's still here. Dump that shit. Now, I have no idea where the fuck I am or where I go. And I can't really see shit by the one who's cave lighting, because that... For one, I can't save, so I don't want to exit this shit. So I have to do all that again. And for two, I've already proven I don't need cave lighting. Even though I used it not too long ago. I am lost in a cave. I don't know where the fuck I am. Guess I'll start letting dudes on fire. Probably look around real quick with the torch. See if I can find anything different. Don't want to go too far because then my bones despawn. guess I'm just gonna run in, gun it, hope to find something. I can't see shit with the torch, so I'm gonna pull out Big Boy. I like this, it's slightly better. That's where I'm supposed to go. Oh my fucking god. I'm kind of stupid. Oh, that sucks. I've just proven how dumb I am for the 8th time. I hope there's either a save up here or a way out, because I hear things. Probably get the torch. Oh yeah, give me your head. I'm full on heads, never mind. That looks like somewhere I should go. I should probably check through all of this. I think that rope leads to a way out, but I still need to explore a bit. Haven't I been here? Is there even a campfire over here? Oh, that's annoying. Story item. I have been here, haven't I? I have been here. Which is weird. Because I actually do remember this. This is the... It's the one place I got stuck at. Real quick, I'm gonna go back and go through that one spot. Here it is. That looks like it's This is so loud. Cross. Cool, can I put the way? Nothing. Man, Haven't I been in here? No, I haven't. Finger, non-finger. I feel like non-finger is probably still out there. I heard something. I have been in here. Fuck. Well, shit. Have I been down here, though? No, I don't think so. Oh, this is Dead Cave I'm exploring. Makes sense. Cassette tape. Big single with the cross. Dynamite. I'm assuming I'm gonna need dynamite in a second. Thanks for that, I guess. Now, in here is unknown. Oh, this goes into the sinkhole. What? Just try it. Okay, whatever. I am in the hole. What do I do from here? Do I go this way? No, I don't believe I do. I can see other green areas, which looks like I should be able to go there. Fuck. I don't know why there's dynamite here, then. Okay. So, now... since I guess I've searched all of Mr. Dead Cave, I can head back and get out of here, I guess. If that rope actually leads out of here. No, not this way. So, I really do kind of... I wonder if someone's already uploaded this, but I kind of want to see what it looks like. I did not know that bleeds. To like no clip out of the map and just see all of the cave systems like from an outside view. I feel like that'd look pretty cool. My flashlight's about to die. That's not good. Thing this convenient illumination is here. Oh shit. Guess I better grab my trusty light. It's better leave out of here. Man, I'm real hungry. Oh, this fucking scary ass cave mining. It's making me fucking hungry. Literally. What the fuck am I looking at? Is that daylight on some rocks? It is. Alright. Game's literally shitting itself. Didn't I already explore this? I did. This was the cave I found that I'm pretty sure led me to the katana. And I guess I didn't fully explore because I didn't look close enough. But the only difference was a lot, I guess, actually. Am I stupid? My door's right here. Did it be spoiled? Surprisingly, one of them is. Never mind. I would say none of them are. I think I can tell which one's spoiled. I don't really know. Oh, I remember that flares are a thing. 16% better, yeah. I got cassettes. So I don't know where the cassette player is. I forgot I had a skull and a laser gun. Yeah, I can sleep. That's real good. So next time I actually have to sleep, I could sleep. Well, I got like nothing done. A few walls. Tried to go for a turtle shell, went the wrong way. Ended up at a camp with a cave system. Explored the rest of the dead cave. Not much at all. Good enough. Who cares? Well. Thanks for watching, I guess. I don't know. I did like nothing. I guess I'll see you next time. See ya.